Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Fort Myers Beach on a Sunday. A beautiful Sunday here on the beach. Getting ready for the mayor's show. And I wanted to give you one final tour of Crescent Park. Crescent Park is now open for business. And you can see you have a couple of three entrances from Estero Boulevard. Got the middle entrance, one over here closer to Times Square, and there's also one over closer to Margaritaville where they have the trailer bathrooms. Nice pavers here, and they got three shade areas. We're going to walk all the way around the entire park here. Crushed shell, sand in the middle for hanging out. Brand new. Ow, what the hell was that? Boy, I got a shell in my rock. My shoe. Using my nice new Meta glasses. Oh, it looks like some work has started over here in Terry's property. The seating area goes all the way around. They did a great job with the landscaping and the plants, the trees. Looks like they have three entrances from the beach also. The much needed trash cans that everybody asks about. Another lovely day on the beach. Hoping for a groundbreaking real soon at the pier. Gonna have to check in with Commissioner Mullica about that, see how that's coming along. Got palm trees in the middle. Wonder how much one of these palm trees costs. We had, I think when we moved in our house, we had 6 or 7. We're down to 1. Nice new grass in the middle. Good morning, everybody, wherever you're watching from. Oh, I don't want to get my new sneakers wet. Got a new pair of sneakers because for some reason Callie has decided that she wanted to chew up shoes and sneakers now, so, which is weird for her. All right. Remember, this entire park here was all sand before they changed it. $1.3 million project here between the trees, the seating area, landscaping. I think it's done. I think what you see is what you get here. No picnic tables. But what I like about it is if you have a band here or a band there, you can choose whether you want to sit in the sand or sit on the grass. And these bathrooms are air-conditioned bathrooms. That's the bathrooms you're going to get here at the park. That's the bathrooms that they had before the storm, during, after the storm, and now. So, and they're always clean. Not the softest toilet paper on the island, but they're always clean. They did an awesome job. Great job by Lee County. Yep, looks great. We're getting ready for our mayor's show at Wahoo Willie's today, so if you're on the beach, come on down. We have our new short sleeve 250/30 shirts. We have all the charms, our charms, Bay Oaks charms, and Jorge's charms if you need those for the bags. Or just come down and enjoy the beach. Go to La Ola, go to Margaritaville. I need to call Margaritaville, Ashley or Yanier, and ask them, maybe somebody out there knows what time the live music starts on Friday nights in the theater up there. Big council meeting tomorrow, everybody. A lot of stuff going on tomorrow after their month off from meeting. So we'll be carrying that live at 9 o'clock. Friday night in Cape Coral, we have a mayoral debate. They have 6 people running for mayor this year in Cape Coral. We have 5 of them on. One guy doesn't ever want to be on our show, so he's not going to come on. All right, nice big audience here today watching. We had a little extra time, so wanted to give you the tour. This is Crescent Park, and you probably know Lynn Hall Park is closed. They're redoing that. Man, I can't wait till that one's done to give you a tour of that. Nice new bathrooms, extra parking over there, but so you can't park over there. The closest parking to here would be at Wasting Away. Of course, there's a parking lot down Crescent on the right-hand side that you can park for the day. Margaritaville has parking, but the cheapest is going to be under the bridge. So there you go. This right over here is going to be a golf cart parking lot with bicycles. So that'll be next year. This year looks great. Next year is going to be even better. All right, everybody. We'll see you at 10 o'clock at Wahoo Willie's. Love these glasses.